I was driving along at night and I could barely see what was in front of me, and that's because my headlights are oxidized, yellow and cloudy. And today I'm going to show you how to fix this to make your car far safer and look much better. I've already done one side and now I'm going to show you how I did it. And these are the results you can expect. We're going from this to this. And just look at the difference there. On the left we've got the restored headlight, and on the right we've got the old oxidized yellow headlight. And the first thing we need to do is wash the headlight. I've got some car wash solution in a sprayer here, and I'm just going to spray the headlight and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Next we need to mask off the headlight to protect the paint. I suggest using waterproof masking tape. And I recommend using 2 layers of masking tape. This gives you a bit more margin in case you slip with the sandpaper and helps protect your paint. This drill attachment and sandpaper comes with the kit linked in the description. Just attach it to your drill and turn the drill on and move it over your headlight. Don't stay in one place for too long, you don't want to melt the headlight. And it helps to spray it with water every so often, because this helps to remove the dust, which will mean your sandpaper will last longer. If I bring the camera closer, you can see how much better that is. The headlight's not yellow anymore, but it does have scratches in from the sandpaper. We'll fix that in the next step. And this is what we're looking for after the first step with 800 grit sandpaper, a nice uniform haze. This shows that we've got the top layer of oxidation off. And now we just repeat the same step with 1500 grit sandpaper. The 1500 grit sandpaper removes the scratches put in place by the 800 grit sandpaper. It's very similar when using the 2000 grit sandpaper, only we use water. This helps to keep the headlight cool. And as we use the 3000 grit paper, you can really see the shine being put back into these headlights. After this step, you've got a choice to make. We either polish the headlights using the foam that's in the kit, or we can use a headlight coating kit. I'm going to demonstrate both of them for you. To use the foam pad, add the polish from the kit to the foam pad and spread it around with your finger. We don't want any dry areas on the pad. And this is what it looks like after using the foam pad. Perfectly clear, but it doesn't have a UV protection coating on, and that's what we're going to do right now. This is our UV protection spray. We'll spray it on a microfiber towel and rub it on the headlight, and this will last for about 6 months. Look at that. That is so much better than it was before, and we've got that coating on there that will last 6 months. But if you want a permanent coating, I'll show you how I did that. This is 3000 grit sandpaper, which is needed to give the coating something to grab onto. If you want to use the permanent coating that I'm demonstrating here, you can skip from the 3000 grit step earlier to this step. And this is what we're looking for. Those 3000 grit scratches will give the coating something to bond to. For this step, You open the packet, wipe the wipe over the headlights, wait 15 minutes, do it again with the next wipe, and you're done. Look at that. Those headlights look amazing. They are shiny. We've got rid of the cloudiness. We've got rid of the yellowness. We've got rid of the oxidization. They are as good as new. And with that permanent coating on there, they will stay like this for years. The beams will be so much stronger, which will make it safer. Your car will look so much better. And if you like this video, press the like button.